with it. Toying with some Mustangs right now. The purple one, I don't know who that is. The blue one's my brother from my last video when you guys saw it. And it looks like it's gonna pull up right now. Probably do some pulls, probably get my ass kicked, but you know, it's all fun and games. He's pulling up right now. And my freaking brother, what the hell are you doing driving like a slowpoke? Come on, bro, catch up. That's for. Nero bars. My name is Gus, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And today we're gonna be taking my car to TH3 Motorsports up to JT because I cracked my radiator. And before I cracked it, I was out practicing my drifting, and then I'll put some of the clips right now. After all that drifting, going off the road and stuff like that, nothing happened to the car besides some curb rash. I hit a rock on my rim, but that was about it. And I went to the gym the next day, and there was uneven pavement because there was construction going on, and I hit like a sewer pipeline. Like they left it sticking out, and I hit that, and all of a sudden I just started smelling this like radiator smell, you know. And I looked outside and it was leaking. So right now I know I'm driving my car. Super sketchy. It's not overheating right now. I topped it off with coolant. So fingers crossed. Hit up JT late night yesterday. Responded really quick. Got the part ordered. It should be in by today. And hopefully my car is out and running by today. If not, it's all good because JT's got me covered, man. Big shout out to TH3 Motorsports. And I'm over here trying to drive a manual car by holding this camera. So I'll let you guys go for right now, and I'll get back at you guys. And here we are, TH3 Motorsports. Goodbye. And hopefully the quality of this video isn't too bad because all my camera gear is in my Fiat right now, and that's up at the shop right now. So I'm using my phone to record all my videos right now. But let's do a quick reveal on the car I'm gonna be vlogging for the weekend. Let's go check it out. Are you guys ready? There she is. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure you guys remember her. This is Blue Bomber. You guys remember from my last video, this is my brother's car. So he hooked it up with the keys and he let me borrow it for the weekend as long as I fill up the tank and I detail her. That was the price I had to pay. But it's all good, man, because he doesn't know how to drive it. So I'm going to teach him how to drive it in this video. So first off, let's go ahead and detail it and then just go over a quick review on it. This is a 2014 Mustang 5.0. So let's get started. And my girlfriend's here. She's about to help me detail the car. And yeah, guys, let's get to it. Woo! Alrighty guys, so we're back on the Mustang. Got my brother driving it, so we're gonna do a quick couple flybys and stuff like that, and we'll see how the exhaust sounds. Probably will sound really pristine. And yeah, guys, let's go ahead and do that and get out of the car and film a couple flybys. Let's do it. See if it picks me up now. Yep. I think it sounded so sick. And it looks clean. By yours truly, washed and detailed. Alright, so this Mustang, it's what, 2014?
2014.
2014 5.0 Mustang. What kind of setup you have on it?
I just have Roush axle backs and a pair of SB wheels. Honestly, that's about it, but inside the engine, it's bone stock. Everything is bone stock. I yet have to tune it. I do want to get a colder intake and tune it. That's what I want to get. I want to get a Bama tune. And actually, besides that, my next mod that I want to get, I do want to get a set of E-Box Sportline lowering springs. That's my next mod for this car, is lowering it with E-Box lowering springs.
Alright, so hopefully we don't get pulled over for not having front license plates. So we came out here to the lake. It's right here in my backyard. Not too far away from my house actually. We've got the dogs out here. Everyone's out here enjoying this beautiful weather. And then we got the ice cream man here, getting ready to grind. About to cross. He's got his clients over here, but he's over there. So he's making sure all the customers see him. Oh, that's grind right there. What do you want to do, huh?
I wish I actually had
Well, anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in once again. Sorry for having a delay on the videos. It's because Nero was out. And then kind of a weird random way to end the video, but thanks for tuning in once again. This is Gus with Nero Bar, and peace out. And go ahead and follow my brother. What's your YouTube channel?
Lucky I forgot.
Well, anyways, I'll go ahead and tag his YouTube channel right now. I'm gonna go ahead and find it. I know he has one, but he hasn't uploaded any videos. But go ahead and subscribe to his channel. That probably motivated his ass to make some videos. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in once again. Thanks for spending your day with me. Peace out. I got some more bad news. I just got my car from the shop. It was working perfectly fine. From my last video, if you remember, I said my radiator broke, and my radiator got finally fixed. I got it replaced. I got a CSF radiator, I think it is. So they replaced it with that. And anyways, I was on the freeway, and I was boosting, and I blew a hose. So nothing major, just a boost leak. But right now, I'll try to boost so you guys can listen to how it sounds. It's the hiss of death. So sadly, Nero is still out of service, so I won't be able to do anything crazy with her until she's completely fixed. But until then, guys. Alrighty, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and boost on third gear, and you're just gonna start hearing some hissing noise. It's awful. Here we go. So hopefully you can hear that, or let me do it again with the windows closed. Maybe we can hear it better like that. I don't think you can hear it. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna take it off sport and then put it on eco mode. I don't want to be boosting too much, especially ripping up the hose. I checked all the hoses and they seem to all be intact together. So I'm guessing one of them just got a rip on it. So I'm gonna take it back either to TH3 Motorsports, have JT check it out for me, or I'll take it back to Precisions and have them check it out. Either way, I just want it fixed and ready to go so we can start filming some more stuff. It's pretty much the first day of summer. We got some beautiful weather, so I want to hit up PCH and bring you guys more footage. So once again, guys, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.